Hi teacher, my name is Miriam Guerra. I study in Técnica Particular Loja University in 4th cycle. In this moment I am going to talk about identity theft. I think that the identity theft is a serious problem in our society. There are many people affected for this fraud. Now I am going to tell a story. A few years ago, Gerald Barnes, a Britannic man and a delinquent, that was well disposed to make anything for becoming a doctor, but he would not want to go to the university for study medicine. Barnes was a false doctor who prescribed medicine to many people without any soft for health. He robbed the identity of true doctors through a fraud, theft, and homicide. Also, Gerald Barnett decided to his patent because he constructed a honorable identity for his clinical work, his certificates, and lovely attitude. Gerald was convicted in many occasions for this first, but he was declared innocent in a few days. The impostor appeared in a catalogue as a dangerous fellow, and at the present time he was declared guilty of fraud and identity theft. Thank you.